Gwatney Collision Center in North Little Rock is not only a preferred vendor with many insurance companies, they also hold many manufacturer-specific certifications. Jamie Cobb with Gwatney Collision joins us to talk about those certifications. Jamie, as always, so good to see you.
Good morning.
Someone told me that was recently your birthday.
It was Friday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, thank you.
And I love that you're wearing your pink ribbon. I know that
you.
Breast Cancer Awareness Month, really close to your heart.
Absolutely. My sister Penny, survivor 22 years, and so everything's going great.
Love that.
It means a lot to me.
Yes, it does. Well, Gwatney Collision North Little Rock recently became the first certified Corvette C8 repair facility in Central Arkansas. But I'm understanding that the North Little Rock location also has many other unique certifications that you're actively working to obtain. Talk a little bit about that.
Okay, so to be a OEM, manufacturer's certified collision center, you have to go through a lot of classifications, certifications. ICAR certified is one of the big ones. And the reason that we do that is so we can buy those structural parts that are integrity specific to the vehicle. Otherwise, you can't buy those parts if you're not certified by the OEM, the manufacturer of the vehicle. So we've reached out to basically every manufacturer, domestic. We try to get all the imports that we can get. But recently, we've had Tesla for the last 5 years. We've just gotten Rivian, which is a very popular vehicle that's coming into the market now. And then recently, our newest dealer partner is going to be the Indigo Group that has the Porsche store that's new to Arkansas.
That's right.
So now we've gotten our Porsche certification. So if you have a Porsche, bring it to us.
Let's talk more about obtaining those parts. How important are these certifications when it comes to obtaining those necessary
Well, if you
parts?
think about the newer vehicles with all the crash sensors and, you got the blind zone sensors that warn you if something's in your blind spot, all those things are specific to the manufacturer. And they're not the same part. They're not interchangeable from car to make and model. So in order to be able to obtain those parts and be able to program them to your vehicle, you need those certifications because you've got to go in there, unlock that software in the computer to be able to reprogram, because that's the first thing. Those are all located in the sensors and the bumpers of the vehicle, and they're probably the first things going to get damaged if you have an accident. So we want to make sure that when we repair that vehicle, it leaves with a certification that, hey, it's been repaired properly.
Are there certain tools and training or equipment that Gwatney Collision has to meet in order to obtain these certifications?
Yes, absolutely. And each one of them has a different program. Each one maybe require a different spot welder or a tool that takes a part on and off. And so, yeah, you have to invest in those parts. They can be very expensive, but hey, we want to make sure that we're doing the best quality we can for the customer when they leave with the vehicle. So.
I know that you like to remind everyone to double check their insurance policy just to make sure that you're not underinsured. Speak a little bit to that.
Okay, because you do need to talk to your agent because some parts, they will say on your insurance policy that they can use used parts to repair your vehicle. And so I'm not saying that a used part is a bad part, but if you could buy a new part on your vehicle, you would probably rather have a new one. But some insurance companies say if we can find a like new part for less money, then that's what we're going to pay for. If you want to pay the difference to get the manufacturer-specific part, then you can do that. But you can have more coverage on your policy, but you're going to pay for it. You just have to, make that clear with your insurance agent.
Well, I know that y'all love to be in the community and do things for the community. So just looking ahead a little bit to the holidays, what can we expect?
Okay, so we've partnered with the Salvation Army the last several years with the Angel Tree program, and that has become very big. And I've really learned a lot about the Salvation Army program by going and checking them out and finding out a little bit more about what they do. And it's amazing how much outreach they have in all of our communities, especially here in Arkansas. And just to be a part of that, I mean, I think it's just a really big deal.
It is. So yeah, we'll be ringing into that here soon, I guess next month.
That's right,
so looking forward to that.
So when you walk by those guys ringing the bell, just think about all the children that wouldn't normally get to have a Christmas present, and they provide for that. It's amazing how many homes they put presents into.
Yeah, I love that you're a partner with that. Jamie, as always, thank you so much for joining us today. Appreciate it.